This evening in Primetime News, controversial Member of Parliament Everald Warmington apologizes for using profane language at public meeting.
Pensioners left in limbo.
And medical technologists out west demand justice. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. Now later on, Anthony Log will have business news, but Renata Brown has a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Janella, Olympic medalists still in line for World Championship selection despite missing sprint hurdles final, and West Indies coach fined for comments after first test. We'll have those and much more in Primetime Sports.
Them are Rob the West Indies and Vixen coach talk. Romaine Robinson is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
Thanks, Gio. Now, with the tropical wave that is west of us, we still have some lingering clouds, and we also have strong winds through the area. So there is still the likelihood that we could see some convergence across western parishes and some shower activity in the afternoon tomorrow.
I will take the rain because have you seen the stories about the sweltering heat in the US as well as in Europe?
I experienced it in me actually. It's
no.
worse than Jamaica.
It's worse?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll take that anytime. Now, there's also sports commentary E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the apology by Southwest St. Catherine MP Everald Warmington for using profane language on the political platform?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.